Today, market was gapping down on the technology sector, QQQ and SPY, but had a really strong open. I caught really two good trade on AMD and Apple. Both of them are essentially the same move. They were correlated move in the technology sector, and very solid, profitable there for me. And I'm taking the Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Bear Market is Destroying the Companies. Like bear market so far, tore apart Netflix, and now Robinhood is another one. That Robinhood was down significantly. It was up to $9, and now it's ripping up back up. But Robinhood had a really tough day. T-Duck was another one that got destroyed in the last couple of days, but now it's actually coming back up. Come on, it's just so weird. Yeah, it's coming back up a little bit, but we were thinking about Amazon is the one that is now getting destroyed. So the bear market is now going after Amazon. Amazon lost a lot because the investment in the Rivian, the electric car company, was the electric car company. Yeah, Rivian Hardy. Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
So
that's right.
Yeah. So the bear market is, it's a grizzly bear market. It's just destroying people, including my account. But regardless, let's see what we have today. Market was gapping down on the technology sector, QQQ and SPY, but had a really strong open. I caught really two good trade on AMD and Apple. Both of them are essentially the same move. They were correlated move in the technology sector, and very solid, profitable there for me. And I'm taking the Monday off, so I can definitely use some extra cash in my account for that purpose. So AMD at the open, it did a little choppiness. Suddenly, the volume came in for 1 minute opening range breakup. I just jumped in at 88.75, sold all the way up, added more, a little bit profit on the ad. I got out at the break even. It did test my entry, came back up, did the very nice ABCD pattern. I went long again, heavy on that at the 90, all the way up to 91.75. I'm actually still in there a little bit, but I'll see how it goes. So that's that was pretty much the same move, same trade actually happened on Apple as well. So I did saw that the Apple selling off a little bit. Some people probably shorting it, and then suddenly the huge volume came in and a squeeze. So if I want to zoom in a little bit, huge volume came in. I jumped in long for the break, 1 minute opening range breakout. It did do the breakout. But the problem was, I could get a better entry, but I didn't see it. As soon as I saw it, I just got in, and then we had a really nice run up for the 164.50. On the pullback, I added for another breakout, and I kind of knew it might not work, and I got stopped out. It did come back, exactly did the same thing. It just went test the VWAP, and it came back up, and then you see it did the run to 166. This run is exactly correlated with AMD. So I got the AMD one. It doesn't matter. What you could do, you could trade TQQ. These, as I mentioned to the chat room guys and explained, these are all correlated assets right now. The moves are exactly the same. So Apple, AMD, they're all trading all together. So that could be, trading TQQ, which is a more capital efficient, instrument if you want to trade that. But regardless, that was a really nice trading day for me. I'm closing the day with 27,000. That's really good. Oh, Tesla. I also had a really bad loss on Tesla. Not the bad loss, but I got the loss on Tesla. Where's Tesla? So Tesla, I got a short for the 1 minute opening range breakdown. It just ripped back up and got me stepped out, and it's exactly like Apple. It came down and then really bounced back. So as soon as I saw Apple is squeezing, I got out. I thought that the market is really shifting. So yeah, Q's what they're doing. So now they're pulling back again. It doesn't seem that they have a lot of strength. It might be all day sell off again. That could be a bull trap. We had this bull trap a few days ago as well, which just could sell off. But yeah. So that's it. Brian, how was your trading?
Didn't start out very good. I'm just selling some SQQ that I just bought while you were talking. Yeah, I took Billy. I was expecting it to break out at the open. Waited for a bit of a pullback there. Got in at 25.77, and it and basically it just couldn't get above 26, so it kind of stopped me out at 25.70, so I lost a little bit there. And then I thought Roku was going to break down, so I shorted Roku, and it squeezed me, so I really lost money there. But then made it back with on my third trade with ABBV. So ABBV really did sell off, and then we did this little period of consolidation,
This one, yeah.
which is which is a good, which is always a good setup for me. Usually you get at least two waves down in selling, so you'll get this first wave, you get some consolidation, makes its way back over to the 9 moving average, and it was kind of setting a it's setting a trading range. High was about 145. So as soon as it started to roll over again, I took it short. So, and it really broke down again, which was a really nice move. So made up my losses, and at least now I'm green on the day. So there you go.
I'm so proud of
That
you,
was
Brian.
it.
I'm so proud of you.
I was I was feeling like going to go into the weekend with a red day, but that's okay.
You're red now,
We
huh?
made it back.
Oh,
No,
you
I'm
mean
green. I got green back. The ABBV got me back green. So,
Tesla is ripping back
and
up. So Tesla, it was Elon Musk that was selling 8 billion shares, $8 billion worth of shares on Tesla. It's probably he did that. So this huge sell-off in the last couple of days was actually Elon Musk dumping his shares. So probably he wants to do it for Twitter, and he has planned to pretty much destroy Twitter. Apparently, he wants to cut a lot of jobs and make a lot of changes. So it's a good time to be alive. So Ardi and I are gonna go in Twitter Space live at 2 p.m. So follow Ardi and I in Twitter, and at 2 p.m. Eastern time. Is it 2, Ardi? Yeah, 2 p.m. We're gonna go live, and if we can bring speakers. If anyone wants to come and ask questions and chat, that would be really really nice. So, Ardi, what's your Twitter handle so I can share it here?